Levi, straight on. Hi, you guys. Welcome back to another video of me and Levi. I hope y'all can see what's going on. If I have any blind viewers, I am walking right now with Levi just through my apartment complex. Leave it straight on. Good boy. You went back? You went too far. Leave it. Good boy. So oh, I have the flash on too, you guys. All right, so let's do this. Okay, Levi, left, forward. Shh. Watch. Okay, to the step. Straight on. To the step. Can you take me to the step? Yeah, okay, you're off, but okay. Okay, forward. Right, left. Alright, you guys, I know you are kind of, I don't know if I've made a video already through here, but this is our way of going to get to the front. So, okay, fine, right? Whoa. You got too excited. Come in. Heel. Good boy. So what he did is he got too excited, so he made me walk into the grass. Okay, let's see him. Straight. Okay. Forward. Fine, right. Good job. Okay, straight on. You leave it. Good boy. Straight on. Good job. Straight on. And that squeaky noise, guys, that y'all hear is my daughter, my little one. I bought her squeaky shoes, so I knew exactly where she is. Okay, steady, bud. Okay, we're probably gonna be passing a barking dog. Okay, no, he's not out there. Watch. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, so this is unedited, you guys. I'm not gonna edit this video, so whatever happens happens. Y'all will see Levi come forward. He's still a dog, so he gets distracted here and there. We're a new team. Forward, straight on. We're barely 2 months into it. Straight on, bud. So yeah, if y'all have any questions about Levi, forward, or if y'all would like straight on. If y'all would like to know about him, the day we graduated, stuff like that, put it in the comments. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have of Levi, or any questions for me. To the step. I'll be happy to answer those questions. To the step. Steady. Good boy. Good boy. So yeah, you guys, we're just walking, not going anywhere specific. My husband and my girls are back there following, talking, spending time. So that's what we're doing. We're just walking. Okay, straight on. I hope y'all enjoy this video, you guys. If you do, please like, and if you're new, subscribe. I'm gonna be trying to post more videos. I'm just been you know, really busy with the girls and still trying to get to know Levi and him know me. Straight on. Good boy. Smell like cigarette. Straight on. Leave it. Good boy. Watch. Good sister. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Okay. So through here, when I would walk through here, when I was able to see, it was kind of like scary because it was always dark. I don't know if they put new lighting through here or not. So, straight on. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, sit. Let's wait for Daddy. I can hear my baby, her and her squeakies. Levi, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Get forward. I'm a random hot lady. Okay. Left. Let's go. Leave it. Good boy. Good to leave it. Straight on. Good job. Straight on. Let's go. Good boy. Yeah, guys. So when I was able to see, I was... leave it. Good boy. I was never able to walk out here like this when I had my vision. What is it? Leave it. Good boy. Good job. What is it, bud? Leave it. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. To the step. Straight to the step. Sit. Good boy. Forward. We're talking about snakes and spiders and dangerous things. Shirt on, bud. Shirt on. Good job. So you guys, look, he stopped for this crack, which is perfect because when I was walking through here, when I was able to see, I tripped over this thing and it's gotten real worse. Okay, forward. Straight on. Let's go, bud. What are you doing? Leave it. What are you doing?
Stop recording video button.
Oops, sorry, that's my voiceover. Let's go. For those who don't know what voiceover is, it's a screen reader for the visually impaired or blind. It reads everything on your screen for you. If you want to know more information about that, drop a comment down below and I will make a video about a screen reader. Straight on. Straight on. Good boy. Good job. Straight on. Okay, find left. Good boy. Let's go. Good boy. Let's go. Leave it. Straight on. Good job. Straight on. To the step. So yeah, like I was saying, me and him are, you know, brand new team. What is it, bud? What'd you get? No. You leave it. Sit. What did you get? Okay. There's something right here on the floor. Don't know what it is, but all right, you guys, let's see how he does here. There's a person, I think. Okay, right. Okay, to the step. I hear a car. So let's see how he does. Good boy. Okay, to those who don't know, I am fully blind. I cannot see anything. I can only hear. I can only see a little bit of light. So I don't know what this car is doing. I hear my baby and my husband over there. So there you go. Okay, the engine turned off. Okay, Levi, forward to the step, straight to the step. Levi, this way to the step. Find the step. Find the step. No. Good boy. To the step. Good. Did you find it? Okay. This way. Forward. Yes. Okay. Straight. Straight. Good boy. Sit. So I don't want him to like just automatically do a straight shot from the cross all the way to where we need to go. So I sit him so he doesn't get, you know, so he doesn't anticipate a lot. Okay. Right. Straight on. Okay, in. In. Good boy. Okay, straight on. Alright, you guys, so I'm getting to my destination. Again, please like, subscribe, share this video. If you want more information, just shoot a comment at the bottom and let me know. Alright, you guys, bye.